How's it going, everybody? This is a trade idea for ticker symbol CGIX, or Cancer Genetics. Now, first look, looks like a piece of shit, and could be, but it's very beaten down. Mean reversion would say that perhaps it has some upside potential, and you can see that it's tried here quite a few times, and it's made a 20 to 70 cent move, and then a 27 to a 42, and then a 20 to a 45, and then a 24 to a 40. So it has a lot of room to run, and that's why I really like this one. There's a lot of upside potential. This first move could have been due to a short squeeze, maybe again here, but now we have all this consolidation, and that's what this what I call a descending triangle. Some may see it as a wedge, depending on how you draw the lines, but it's a consolidation pattern. It's a consolidation pattern from this big move down from 120 down to 20 cents, and it's been consolidating ever since. And it has a history, just a past 2-month history of huge moves. And so right there, that triggered me. It has great upside potential, and you have very clear downside risk. So if you're taking 22 cents as your support line, you can use that as your stop loss. Go a little bit under, make it 21.95, and you have your support, you have your stop loss. And then where does it go up? If it breaks out of this very clear support resistance line, then you have this here at 30 cents. You have a next level at 35 cents, 40 cents, and 49 cents. So no big surprise that it's at round numbers, but that's how penny stocks kind of work. But you have very clearly defined support and resistance levels, i.e. risk and reward levels, and the reward levels greatly outnumber the risk, the amount of money that you're risking. So if you're risking 5 cents here, which I was today, and you're looking to make a lot greater, generally speaking, when something like this breaks out, you're looking for at least half of the move that it's consolidating, or if it really has some oomph, then it'll go past where it previously broke out of. Since this is a consolidation pattern from a bearish move, I'm expecting a 50% retracement of the consolidation pattern, as opposed to if it was a consolidation pattern after a bullish move, then I would expect it to go above and beyond the high at the start of the consolidation pattern. But since it is a consolidation pattern, and actually it's a descending triangle, which is a bearish consolidation pattern, I'm expecting a 50% retracement of this original move that has been consolidating ever since. So that is about here at 40 cents. So I'm looking to make 15 cents, risking 5. So 3 to 1, and perhaps even more. Could happen really quick, given that these moves tend to happen in 1 day or 2 days. So I really like this trade setup. I did get in today. I got in the morning. I saw it on Sunday. However, it was trading very thin, so I didn't want to post it just yet. I was looking to help break this out today, and I had enough money to help it do so. I was originally I was going to try to catch a bid pre-market. Didn't catch a bid. I was a little too low. I was at 24 cents, but it didn't ever come down and hit 24 cents again. So then I started chasing the ask, because I saw how thin it was. So all this action here, that's pretty much me and everyone who was competing against me. And once I broke 26 or 25 with my bid. It went up to 26. I broke 26, and it went up to 27 really fast, and I contributed to breaking 27. Didn't do it all on my own, but then it eventually broke 27. Now, it did retrace a bit. Honestly, I was kind of expecting that. When you chase a bid, it tends to retrace a little, but I broke through those key resistance levels, and after it consolidated in this intraday wedge pattern, and today it broke out, and it kind of got things going, which is nice. It's sometimes if you have enough money, you can do that with these kind of low float kind of stocks, and it's really only low float now, which is the beauty of it. If you look back in its history, it has some good volume up in here. It's not like it's going to be terrible to get out of once this thing gets moving, but since it was so tight, and since I only needed to get it above 25 cents, I knew I could break it out. Tried it. It worked out in my favor. I did start kind of a chain reaction, and I saw a lot of volume starting to come in right after that 30 minute period in the beginning, and it closed at the highs really nice. So now we have a technical breakout on some good bullish volume, and no news or anything. I just liked how it was setting up technically. It was getting really tight on this consolidation pattern. So good risk, good reward, and it's technically broken out now, closed at the highs on good bullish volume. So we'll see where it goes. I just wanted to post this idea and let you know that I am in it, but it's not too late, given that there's plenty of upside potential here, and you have now you can use the resistance as your support and your stop loss. So this is a trade idea for ticker symbol CGIX, or Cancer Genetics. If you like my technical analysis, follow my YouTube channel and follow me on StockTwits. Take it, leave it, make it your own. Good luck.